as Chairman ng Committee on Local Governments and bilang dating San Juan Mayor, would you like to comment on what former President Duterte has said dun ho sa Senate hearing? Ang sabi niya, ang imperfections o problema sa illegal drugs o sa war on drug nasa mga local government units dahil hindi daw nakikiisa ang mga mayor. Hindi daw mawawala ang illegal na droga kung may mga mayor mismo ang sangkot dahil laging pera ang habol o kaya naman daw ay natatakot labanan ng illegal drugs dahil ayaw ng gulo at ang target lang ay re-elections.
Well, of course, hindi dapat pwedeng i-tolerate yung ganon kung talagang totoo nga po yun, no? Public officials should never be involved in drug trade or tolerate drug trade, no? As former mayor, of course, galit din naman tayo dyan, no? Wala tayong patawad, no? No negotiation when it comes to drug cases, pushers, kahit may lumapit, hindi natin pinagbibigyan. But of course, we do not condone extrajudicial killings, no? Hindi naman natin yan condone. But like him or not, just like to yung pong pag-take na responsibility ni Pangulong Duterte for the actions of his administration, kumbaga inako niya lahat Sabi niya, I am responsible. Wala siyang tinuro. So, subject of debates whether yung kanila pong diskarte tama o mali, no? Yung mga revelations during that hearing, it's up already to the DOJ and other concerned agencies on how they will process if there is already enough basis for the filing of cases. Sabi nga ni former President Duterte, they file the cases, no? So let us it's time to let our justice system take its course, no? Let DOJ, other concerned agencies do its job, no? Na nasa kanilang bola nasa kanilang kamay na po 'yon. But again, sabi ko nga, like him or not, no, subject of debates yung diskarte po ni Pangulong former President Duterte. But again, yung yung pag-ako niya for responsibility, yung kumbaga the buck stops with me. At least hindi siya nagturo ng iba, no? Sabi niya, he'll be answerable. No? Yun lang ang nakita kong naging para sa akin, still commendable na at least hindi ka nagturo ng iba, no? Na
sarili na lang.
You took on the inako mo yung responsibilidad. Sabi niya akong responsable dito.
Na-shock ba kayo, sir, dun sa mga admission ng dating Pangulo? At do you think incriminating yung kanyang mga admission dahil under oath nga yung lahat ng sinabi niya?
Well, sinasabi naman niya yan lagi, no, sa mga speeches niya, lalo nang siya po ang Pangulo. So, ngayon lang, under oath, no? That's the difference. So, again, it's subject of debates whether incriminating or not. Again, sabi ko nga, let our justice system function, take its course. Nandun na po yun, nasa DOJ and other agencies na po yun, yung appreciation nila, whether there is basis already to file cases or not.
So, do you have any concern dun sa sinasagawang parallel investigation ng Senate sa war on drugs? Kasi dun sa first hearing, may isang pulis na nag-akusa na parang inudyukan lang siya or pinressure para ikumpirma yung sinabi ni Garma na may reward money involved dun sa mga dun sa pagpatay ng mga drug suspect. So, may mga inaakusahang kongresista. So, may nakikita bang concern dito sa parallel investigation?
Siguro I would agree with siguro sabi ni minority leader, mukhang wala nang susunod, no? I think they already are satisfied with with all the information that they got.
Meron pa daw, sir.
Kung meron o wala, ako personally, I think, kung if we can cut it short, no, we all know for a fact, reality is that if it's a Senate or a House investigation, it's politically charged. Hayaan na natin yung mga concerned agencies to do their work with all the information and the facts that have been discovered no nakarang hearing. So, mas maganda kasi ako personally na Nakakalungkot ang aga ng tawag dito. Bickerings, napakaaga, no? Naaga ng bangayan. We cannot move forward Kaya as much as possible, I do not want to get to dip my hands into it, no? Kasi trabaho na lang tayo, daming problema. No, dito lang sa UHC implementation, ang dami pa nating mga dapat infrastructure na dapat natin maghabol. Ang dami nating problema and all of these political bickerings are not helping on our direction, no? Nakakagulo Ang aga. Kalahati pa lang ng wala pa tayo sa half of term. Nagsimula na yung political. Kung siguro 1 year before, katanggap-tanggap Sayang yung productive year sana natin. Di bali na yung 1 year na political bickerings, at least may 5 years time productive. Ngayon, 2.5 pa lang. Nagsimula na. Nangihinayang ako. Kaya nga, as much as possible, I do not want to get involved in this political squabble, political bickerings, because there's still a lot of challenges, a lot of problems that need to be addressed.
Pero sir, naniniwala naman kayo na dapat matulungan yung mga victims ng allegedly EGK na matulungan silang makahanap ng hustisya?
Well, definitely. Lahat naman ng lahat na those who are oppressed nga, sabi nga, those dapat mas talagang tulungan natin, bigyan ng yung mga naapi o yung mga talagang walang kalaban-laban, yun talagang dapat tulungan, and they deserve to be given justice as well.
Pero yung first hearing is enough na, sir? Do you think nag-gather na nila lahat ng kinakailangang informations dun sa mga naging testimonya ng dating Pangulo?
Again, let the agencies already do their work, no? Nasa kanila na po yun. I think marami naman tayong information na nakuha na no? Kasi ayoko makialam talaga dito sa gantong ang dami pang problema UHC lang. I have my hands full already, kaya I do not want to dip in my hands into other issues na hot issues, kahit na hot issues na siguro napansin nyo. Minsan nag-attend ako, minsan hindi, because there's still a lot of things that needs to be done, no? For one of the reasons na gusto kong bumalik Senate, yung implementation na UHC, yung pong infrastructure na naghahabol tayo. So happen, ako rin ang magdi-defend ng DOTR na that's very close to my heart, no? Infra development. So we are already entering the budget season, plenary debate, so magiging busy na po tayo dito. Kaya hopefully, matapos kaagad itong mga investigation, no, that are siyempre, magiging politically charged if it will come in the Senate. So, trabaho na muna tayo. Ang dami pa problema Okay. So, marami pa tayong challenges that we need to be addressed.
Last 2 questions kasi may flight pa si Sir. Okay, Nympha.
Sir, clarify lang yung panawagan ninyo na tapusin na yung investigasyon pareho Senate and Kamara.
Para sa akin, na tayo, trabaho na muna tayo. Ayoko naman, there's interparliamentary courtesy. I do not want to impose on the other house, no? That's their prerogative. Pero siguro sa akin, I think even Senate President Cheese said na ayaw din niyang magtagal itong mga ito, ayaw niyang mag-drag on, no? Yung mga ganitong issue. Because there's a lot of work to be done. By Wednesday, mag-ano na tayo, budget season. So, hopefully, matapos na itong mga ibang issues or topics, no? Mag-concentrate tayo sa the budget, because more than half of our job is itong budget season, no? Na make sure that priority programs are funded, and pagbusisi ng mga programa o yung mga nakaraang performance din ng mga agencies.
Okay, and then last mula kay Mianos Baños ng TV5. Sabi niya, sir, follow-up dun sa panawagan yung palitan na si PhilHealth President Ledesma now o end of the year pa, at i-assess daw ba muna sino ang natutulog sa UHC implementation bago hilingin ang pagsiba kay Ledesma?
Immediate kasi nakakalingkot kasi bakit ang kasalanan po nila, pinagmalaki nila na meron excess funds sa PhilHealth, no? Just to please our economic managers, administration, pagpapasikat ka na, wow, ang laki na excess funds na maiko-contribute mo for priority programs, gayong ang daming hirap na hirap magbayad ng hospital bills, then you are not a successful president of PhilHealth. Kasi nga, nagpasikat ka, may excess funds ka, pero ang dami namang hirap. Di ba? So, immediately, kinakailangan magkaroon revamp, kailangan umayos ang PhilHealth. Kailangan ang ano natin dito, we are not after change, hindi naman tayo gusto natin magkaroon pagbabago basta-basta. Kailangan immediately maramdaman ng beneficiaries ng taong bayan, no? Filipinos who are members of PhilHealth automatically. Dapat maramdaman kaagad nila itong PhilHealth na nandyan for the implementation of Universal Healthcare Act.
Okay, no more? On that note, thank you so much, Senator J.V.
Thank you.
Ejercito, and have safe travel, sir. At pasalubong pa.